Hey, it's the Batch Lady here, and I'm in the kitchen with the lovely Crichton, who is helping me cook today. In fact, he's not really helping me cook because he's doing it all by himself. Raising capable kids is what I'm all about, showing you how to make really easy meals that kids from 8 years up can make. This one is a really simple burger recipe, about 4 or 5 ingredients. Crichton's going to do it and make the whole thing from scratch, so over to Crichton. Great job, that was brilliant. And look, we've got tonight's dinner and we've got another load ready for the freezer that they can have at any time as well. Great for lunches as well in school holidays, so why not give it a go?